No, I hope we won't see Fianna Fáil or Fine Gael government, because I'd love to see a situation where civil war politics were ended, and I certainly wouldn't like to see Sinn Féin leading a government either. I want to see.
You wouldn't do a deal with Sinn Féin?
Look, that hasn't been decided. I'm not speaking for a whole pile of people at the moment.
Personally, you sound like you just said you don't want to see Sinn Féin in government, so you wouldn't do a deal with them.
Personally, what I want to see is these policies put out. If other parties are prepared to implement them, that's something that we talk about.
Sinn Féin talk about ending patronage. They talk about kind of handing power back to the people in many ways. Do they not?
It's a question whether you believe them or not.
Okay. Do you believe them?
No.
Okay, so you can't do a deal with Sinn Féin, can you?
Well, I'm not going to rule anything in Iraq, because I'm not talking for all my colleagues, and you're going to interpret it one way or the other, and I'm not going to put myself in hostage to fortune at this stage. But I don't think that Sinn Féin would implement these type of policies that we're talking about.
Okay, so you don't trust them?
No, certainly not.
Okay. Do you trust Fine Gael or Fianna Fáil? Could you do a deal with them?
Absolutely no. I don't trust them for 1 minute. But I do think...
You couldn't do a deal with them either?
No, I'm not saying I couldn't do any deal. What I'm saying is I don't...
deals with people you don't trust?
I don't trust them, but at all at the moment, because they've betrayed our trust, right? Fine Gael have betrayed the trust of the electorate, because look what they did in terms of reform. They promised reform. They did absolutely nothing about it. So I don't trust them. But I think if they were put under pressure to do it by an outside body, or by an outside party, or by an independent body, they'd do it.
Okay.
They'd have to do it. Political imperatives.
Everything's up for grabs then?
Yes, of course.
But you don't trust any of them?
I don't trust any of the political parties at all.
But
no.
You could potentially do a deal with one or them?
Well, you talk about a deal. What I would be talking about would be saying, look, we will keep you in government if you implement these policies, but only if you do that.
Okay.
That's what we do with them.